Hey, good morning, everybody. Kevin Welsh, Industry Marketing Manager here at SICK. I'm standing in the Kawasaki booth here to talk with my good friend Zach about a cool collaboration between our companies. Zach, do you mind giving us a quick overview of what we're looking at behind us?
Yeah, so part of the big thing that we want to showcase at a place like this, especially, is practical application. What we have here is a cell from CRG, one of our integrated partners, and they're showcasing rainbow palletizing, random SKU depalletizing, as well as corner board placing. These are practical things that happen in the industry that people need solutions for, and that's where we really want to focus, is where the rubber meets the road.
That's awesome. I was really excited to see a lot of yellow here. There's a lot of SICK safety on this,
Yes.
this robot. Can you tell us a little bit about what that safety's doing for you?
Yeah, oh God. Well, I mean, that has become a movement in the industry, quite frankly. If people are honest with themselves, there's a lot of people out there who don't want to have fences. They're not making more real estate, and safety is a real concern, but you have to approach it correctly. Particularly with the safety scanners, that has become a whole thing in the industry of being able to remove a fence, but also keep a safe space for people to work. Make sure that you're dotting your I's, crossing your T's with your safety and risk assessments. And SICK has been a huge part of that. That technology it just keeps changing too. It just keeps getting better.
Yeah, that's awesome, Zach. Yeah, SICK has a whole variety of area scanners, safety controllers. We have a whole safety services group that's helping robots like these work more collaboratively, work more efficiently, and keeping people a lot more safe in the production environment. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.